How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you some amazing underrated One UI 6.1 features which you will be getting very soon on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. With that being said, if you want to learn something new and useful, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. In One UI 6.1, when you crop any screenshot or even a low quality WhatsApp image, you now get the option to increase the resolution of that cropped picture. As you can see, when I tap on edit and crop the image, while saving it, it's gonna ask me whether I want to increase the image resolution or just keep the current quality. Increasing the resolution might take up some space, but the image will look sharper. Now let's go ahead and save it in higher resolution. You can see how the cropped area looks really sharp and usable. So now you don't have to worry about screenshots getting blurred when you try to crop them. Well, most of you might already know that Samsung has added some cool looking lock screen widgets in One UI 6.1. You simply need to long press, unlock your phone, and here you get this option to add some useful widgets like the battery, calendar, weather, reminders and more. Apart from this, they have also added about 2 to 3 clock styles which were not present on the One UI 6, and there is a way to unlock more. We have more than 25 new clocks which you can get with the help of Good Lock. Now if you really want to get those additional clock styles to customize your lock screen, then just download the Good Lock app from the Galaxy Store and install the Clock Face module. Make sure it is running the latest version. Now go inside Clock Face, select lock screen and simply click on this plus icon at the top right. Here we have some beautiful unique clock styles which you cannot access directly from the lock screen. You can select whichever you like. Then you can change the layout, add different colors, and there is an option to customize the date as well. Once done, you need to tap on save and finally you can apply that to your lock screen. So this is how you can easily unlock additional clock styles and take your customization to the next level. Since we are on the lock screen, let me show you another hidden One UI 6.1 feature that you might not know about. To enable this feature, go into your phone settings, select advanced features and then select labs. Here we have a brand new feature called photo ambient wallpaper. Once you turn this on, what it does is it uses AI to change your lock screen wallpaper and add some really cool effects based on your weather and time. Now after enabling this feature, go back to your home screen, long press, select wallpaper and style, go inside change wallpaper, and here you will find a new option called photo ambient. This option only shows up when you enable the labs option that I just showed you. Simply tap on it and allow the permission that is required. Now choose any wallpaper from your gallery to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. This might look like a normal lock screen at first, but let me show you the real magic of AI. If I press the play button, it's going to reflect the current weather outside. When it's raining, you can see the rain falling on this wallpaper and it changes automatically depending on your current weather. This effect makes your lock screen stand out, and I think it's a pretty cool feature added in One UI 6.1. Next, there is this cool feature called Circle to Search which you might be getting on your phone with the One UI 6.1 update. So when I press and hold on this bar at the bottom, it allows me to circle, scribble or tap anywhere on the screen to search anything on Google. Even though it's an amazing feature, one thing that I didn't like is that now we do not have the option to hide this bar which is located at the bottom, and I know many people don't like to see this navigation bar. Now luckily we still have a way to remove this. In order to do that, just open the Good Lock app and this time you need to install the module called Navstar. Go inside this module and turn this on. Here make sure you enable this option called extra gesture settings. Once done, now just go back to your phone settings, select display and then select navigation bar. Here if you go inside the more options, we now have the option to hide the bar from appearing at the bottom. This setting will only show up when you enable the Navstar module in the Good Lock application. With every One UI update, Samsung tries to add more and more customization features, and with One UI 6.1, we now have the option to customize the background for alarms. So when you set an alarm, simply scroll down and here you get this brand new option called alarm background. If you tap on it, you will be able to customize the background. You can set a specific wallpaper that you want to see when you wake up, or even set any video as the alarm background. Now let's say you want to wake up early to go to the gym, then you can set your workout video as your alarm background to keep you motivated. Then there is a time and you can change the format for that as well. Like this, you can set different backgrounds for different alarms, and I think it's a pretty cool customization feature that Samsung has added in One UI 6.1. Next, when you make or receive calls on your phone, if you pull down the quick settings panel, you get this brand new toggle in the One UI 6.1 called mic mode. If you tap on it, either you can have it as standard or voice focus. If you're outside in the traffic or watching a movie in the theater, then the focus mode will enhance the audio quality and ensure that the other person you are speaking with will have a better experience by reducing the background noises. This feature was already there in the previous version, but it was kind of hidden. And now with One UI 6.1, they have added this extra toggle in the quick settings for easier access. So the next feature is related to the always on display. When I go into the lock screen, always on display, and then click on when to show, previously in One UI 6, we only had 4 options that are tap to show, show always, show as scheduled, and show for notifications. But now there is this new option called auto, and this will show AOD all the time unless your phone detects that it's in a dark place such as a purse or your pocket, or even when you're in a darker room, it will turn off the AOD to save some battery. So instead of keeping it as always, you can switch to auto mode and save a bit of your phone's battery. Another new feature is the show lock screen wallpaper. If you enable this toggle, it will show your lock screen wallpaper as your always on display, and this looks very similar to what we have on iPhones. Not only this, we also have the erase background that shows only the main subject by removing the background on your always on display, and it works with pictures that have people or animals as the main subject. Next, in the display settings, we now have a brand new option called adaptive color tone. If you go ahead and enable this feature, it will adjust colors and white balance based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear more natural in different environment. So after installing the One UI 6.1, you will find this new option under the display settings. Finally, let me show you my favorite feature that I really liked in the latest One UI version, and it's called generative AI wallpapers. If I long press on the home screen, go to wallpaper and style, then select change wallpaper. Here we have this new option called creative. It basically helps you generate your own wallpaper with the help of AI. All you have to do is simply select a theme depending on your mood, then change the background, and it even allows you to customize the color. Once you are done, just tap on the generate button and the AI will provide you with some beautiful looking wallpapers to customize your home screen. Then you can set it onto your home screen or on the lock screen. I think it's an amazing feature, especially for people who love customization and like changing their phone's wallpaper on a regular basis. So now you don't have to search wallpaper online or install third-party apps on your phone. You can create your own wallpapers in just a few clicks. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing underrated One UI 6.1 features that you should know about. Let me know your favorite feature in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.